So before we get down to what's EMEO, congratulations BioLive for the new beginning. You can see the box of EMEO is right there, and you'll have a precautionary paper inside that explains how to take the drug and under what conditions you should give it. What I'm going to talk about is the science behind that product that you are going to use from here. Before we get down to the details, I would like to say that this is a drug that is ABBC is working on for the clinical trials to launch it as a drug in the market. That would take some time. So before doing that, we decided that we just launch it as a supplement. The extract that comes for this product is from a mushroom. If you have heard about the medicinal mushrooms, there are a variety of medicinal mushrooms like shiitake, lion's mane. This is one of those, and it's called as maitake. So what does maitake means? It's a Japanese mushroom. Mai means to dance. Take is a mushroom. So it's a dancing mushroom. This mushroom is known as in the dietary cuisine in Japan for more than 100 years now. So we have extracted the active ingredient from that and formulated a solution that can be used as a drug as well as a supplement. So this solution was already tested at MSKCC in United States. They have done 2 safety clinical trials, and the extract can be has proven to be safe on human body already. So what we have done is we had a contract with MSKCC, and we are taking their own solution now becomes our own and has turned out to be BioLive's product. So like I have explained, the source comes from the mushroom, that's the maitake mushroom, and is grown in Japan, Canada, and also mainland China. Our supplier is from Japan and Canada. The composition of the drug is the beta-glucan, the active ingredients of mushroom, which are known to boost your immunity. So we are not bringing an anti-cancer drug here. We are bringing a combination for the anti-cancer drug, which will help to reduce the side effects of the chemotherapy that the patient undergoes and helps the quality of life of the patient. So we are not giving you a drug that is going to fight against the cancer, but is going to build your body to fight for its own survival when you are taking the anti-cancer therapy. Then what are the preclinical benefits? Boosts your immune system. So there are different kind of ways where it helps build the immune system, like it boosts the NK cells concentration in your body. So that's your innate immunity of your body that is enhanced using this particular solution. For the clinical highlights, I have already mentioned that the study for the safety was done in MSKCC, and here it also shows that we have highlighted the anti-tumor ability. But it doesn't mean that our drug is going to be anti-tumor. This is anti-tumor ability that goes down when you take the chemotherapy, and our drug is going to boost that anti-tumor behavior of your own body, the innate behavior of your body. There has been also literature which shows that if you take only the chemotherapy, the dark black one is the result when you take only the chemotherapy. The grey one is when you take maitake along with the chemotherapy. So you can see these are the different side effects. Those occur when you take the chemotherapy. But when you take maitake and the chemotherapy, those side effects, they are reducing. So that's why we say it's an immune boosting product and not an anti-tumor product. For the part where ABBC comes in, the major part is regarding the clinical trials. We have tested this particular solution for 4 different indications of oncology, and we have got the INDs approved already from US FDA. One of the IND is approved from Taiwan FDA also for NSCLC. This is the one that we would start the safety study in Taiwan itself. Now that MSKCC has already stopped its study on maitake, there's a need for us to have the safety data for ourselves. So now what we are going to do is run the phase 1 clinical trial once again, and we have our own data, so we don't rely on MSKCC's data anymore. MSKCC has already published that data, but we'll have our own set of data. So we are going to start the phase 1 clinical trial for non-small cell lung cancer in Taiwan first, and then that helps us to move to phase 2 clinical trial for all the 4 indications. So we don't have to run phase 1 clinical trial for all 4. So that's what ABBC is currently working on. Thank you.